tell what you're doing. You got to go back and forth and.
You ain't liking it too good?
Nah.
Here she is again.
What you doing now, Chris?
I just want to tape you, you know, go through
Oh,
your
I'm
changes.
adjusting. I can do without a computer for a few days.
Okay, so you
2 or
make
3
it out
days.
okay.
No, not really. No. I don't even feel like cooking. You mean to tell me I have to go through the holidays without my computer? I mean,
You don't think you're gonna make it through the holidays?
I don't feel too good about it. Kind of down. I miss it. I think people do become addicted to the computers. Because I miss my games. I can't even play my games right.
But why are you sitting in front of the computer?
Well, I'm thinking maybe we can do something there. Get something done. We got to figure this stuff out, shucks.
Well, I'll try to work on it later. Cause you're looking pretty sad.
Yeah, I'm a little sad. I don't even feel like cooking. Turkey's still in the refrigerator.
Thanksgiving's off.
Maybe off. Whew.
Well,
Am I addicted to the computer?
Yep, I think you are.
I think I am.
So you ready to cook your
Not,
meal?
not right now.
What you mean?
I'm not sure whether I'm gonna cook for Thanksgiving. My spirits are low.
Oh, come
I
on.
got to feel better than this. But that turkey, I don't know. We may have the turkey. It's just me and you. Matter of fact, I don't feel like cooking. My spirits are down.
No cooking?
No cooking. We'll eat what we got. We got plenty of food.
All,
We don't have to have a turkey, do we?
all because of the computer. That's
No,
all
not
it is.
for my spirits are low.
Here she come, y'all.
I'm going to bed.
Oh,
Yeah. Ain't nothing else to do. I miss my computer. What can you do? What can you do?
there's other things
Are
to
you
do.
gonna try to do something with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do something.
Okay,
but there's other things to do.
Go over there and try to fix it if you can. I'll see you when I call me when you get it together.
Oh, Sookie. I think I got her up and running, y'all. Yeah, because I can't take this depressed stage. I can't take this. Did she talk about not cooking too?
What?
Look, I think
Up.
I got it up running.
It's up and running. Oh, go ahead, bitch. I knew you could do it. What did you do?
Oh my God.
What did?
I went through a whole bunch of stages, a whole bunch of steps, but looks like you might have your computer for the holidays.
Oh, thank you. Let's get the turkey.
Oh my God. Get the turkey now, huh?
Let's get the dinner.
Oh my goodness.
Let's get the dinner.
Oh.
Hey, go ahead, Chris.
Okay, thank God.
What did you do?
I did a whole bunch of steps and
Oh my
tried
God,
this
you got
and
it
that.
up and running and going and moving,
It's on its way.
updating. Oh my, that's beautiful.
It's on its way.
Oh, let the games begin. Look at you.
So we can have a meal now, huh?
Hey, you know what? I'm so glad you fixed my computer. You won't eat a damn thing on Thanksgiving. You was gonna be hungry.
What? Well, you was looking kind of pitiful.
I know I was pitiful.
You know, you was moping around the house
Yeah,
for at
but
least
I'm
2-3 days. I couldn't take it no more.
I'm so glad you fixed the machine. Now I'll get the turkey out. Now I'm gonna get the turkey.
Well, thank goodness.
Oh, I'm getting the turkey right now.
Oh. All right, y'all. This is an hour later after I got her computer up and running. Watch this. Okay. So Mom, you doing better now, huh?
Oh, I'm so happy. I don't know what to do. I got my games back.
Oh, that's good.
I'm cooking. I'm gonna make the dinner for Thanksgiving. Oh man, I'm lonesome without my games. And then I'm lonesome without all my friends. What am I gonna do? So happy you got this up and running. I got my games back on.
Oh,
And
that's
I got
good.
all my buddies back.
So now you feel pretty good, huh?
I feel good. Not pretty good. I feel damn good. I was lost without my computer. And you feel like your little friends is sitting all around.
All right.
You say something to them, you can hi, bye, whatever.
But there's other things to do other than the computer.
Ain't nothing else for me to do. What? All that going out, partying, and in and out of bars and clubs. I haven't been in a bar in 30 years. And don't even want to see one. I mean, you know, I like what I'm doing right now. 80, you go somewhere and sit your black ass down. That's what you do at 80. You go sit your black ass down. Make yourself at home. Enjoy the little things in life. Stuff like that. I ain't got no time for all that stuff out there in the street. People running up and down, legs all up in the air. I've been there, and I'm on my way back. And you guys is coming. I don't need that no more. I'm happy, just like I am. And retired, and single, and loving every minute of it. Happy Thanksgiving. If the computer's off, I have no friends. Oh, I can't have a good Thanksgiving without all my friends.
Oh, that's nice.
And my little games. Thanks, baby.